It's time for phonics. Phonics time. Whoa.
Hello again, everybody. This is page 44 of the Let's Go 1 workbook, and today we're doing the Let's Read, which means the phonics section of Unit 5. And this one dealt with the short E sound, eh. In your student books, it looked like this.
E, egg, bed, pet, peg.
Okay, let's start. For the first part, we just need to write the letter E. So we put E at the start, it becomes egg. If we put E in the middle, it becomes pet. A cat is a pet. If we put E in the middle here, it becomes peg. And this is a peg. It's a hook, not a hook, it's a peg. It's a stick to put a coat or a bag on. And number 4, if we put E in the middle, it becomes bed. This is a bed to sleep on. Part A is done. And part B just says match. So we're going to read the word and just match it to the right picture. Number 1 is pet, and a dog is a pet. So we can just draw a line down to the dog. Number 2 is peg, and this is a peg right here. Draw a line to the peg picture. Number 3 is bed. This is a bed, so draw a line to the bed. And number 4 is egg. This is an egg, so draw a line to the egg. And just like that, we're finished our page. Great job, everybody.